Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the side button. Once you see the Mi logo on the screen, you can release the button, and after a second or two, the watch should turn on. Now you should see the list of languages on your watch. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the language you like to use, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Here you can use the QR code to download and install the Xiaomi Wear application, or now it's called, I believe, Mi Fitness. Or you can simply open the App Store on your phone, tap on search, type in Xiaomi Wear, then tap search, and it should redirect you to this app. They changed the name of the app. It's now called Mi Fitness, but before it was called Xiaomi Wear. Once you find this app, Mi Fitness, tap on the install button and wait until the app is done installing. Once the app is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. Now let's tap on this arrow right here on our watch to continue. In the app, let's tap on agree. Then we need to log in into an account, so let's tap on sign in. Tap right here, enter the email address, and then enter the password. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account right here below the sign in button. I'm just gonna log in into mine account, so give me a couple of seconds. Also, you will need to check this box right here to agree to the terms of use. And once you're done entering the password and email, tap on sign in. And after a second or two, you should see the status page of the app. Now let's tap on the profile icon. Tap on add device. Select the Redmi Watch 2 Lite from the list. Tap on allow right here, and we need to allow the permission for the location. You can also deny it, but I'm pretty sure you won't be able to pair the devices if you deny the location permission, so you can allow it only this time or while using the app. Oh, of course, you need to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. If it's not, enable it before you attempt to pair your devices. I forgot, so let's tap on allow right here. The app will turn on the Bluetooth automatically. Let's close this. Tap on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite again, and now the app should start looking for our watch. Once it finds it, or rather once the app finds our watch, my bad, tap on agree. Then tap on the check mark on the watch and tap on OK in the app. Now let's tap on done and start on the watch. And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. We can go through it by tapping on next. Also, you can update your watch if you want to by tapping on update. I'm just gonna tap on later. And once you see the profile page, it should say that it's connected with Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.